Good afternoon. This video is going to go over the goals of the financial manager. The goal of the financial manager must be consistent with the mission of the corporation, which is to maximize the shareholder's wealth. While the shareholder wealth maximization is included in Coca-Cola's vision statement, it also includes the broader goals such as social responsibility, or might be known as corporate social responsibility, that will ultimately benefit the shareholders in the long run. So as we read in the reading and the content that we were provided with this week, Coca-Cola's vision statement, they need to have a established vision with clear goals. Without clear goals and a clear vision, the people will perish. So fortunately, we have here a good example from Coca-Cola, who has obviously been a very successful company over the years. Their goals in mind are profitability, people, portfolio, partners, and the planet. So for profit, obviously they're in the business to make money. For the people, they want their employees to flourish, they want them to benefit, and they want them to obviously work hard for their company so they can benefit. The portfolio, they want to grow and expand their portfolio. The partners, they want to expand the amount of partners that they have, and they also want to be economically friendly to the planet. So corporate mission, while the managers have to cater to all the stakeholders, such as consumers, employees, and suppliers, they need to pay particular attention to the shareholders. If managers fail to do that, and if they fail to pursue shareholder wealth maximization and pay attention to the shareholders, they will lose support of the investors and lenders. The business may cease to exist, and ultimately the managers will lose their jobs. And at the end of the day, nobody wants to lose their job. This might be the case of Richard Schulz. He was the founder, largest shareholder, and de facto head of Best Buy, who oversaw a period in which the retailer failed to move into e-commerce quickly. Essentially online shopping. In the meantime, during all of that, when it was happening, and he decided to not move into that realm, Amazon, who has now pretty much taken over the world, nearly bulldozed Best Buy and undercut them. Another good example of this would be with Blockbuster and any other sort of movie store, video store, that you might know or known of, and how Netflix took over that industry. It's easy to sustain a business model while it's good and everything, but if you are not continually innovating and coming up with new ideas that are fresh, relevant, and your business model and plan is more than likely going to go by the wayside